In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wix Error Code 3003. This is a common issue that many users encounter while using the Wix platform, and fortunately, it's usually something you can resolve on your own quite easily. To help you navigate through this, I'll guide you step by step on how to address this error by adjusting some settings in your web browser. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your browser settings. This is something you can do by opening your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and navigating to the settings menu. You'll usually find this option by clicking on the three dots or bars in the upper right corner of the browser window. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a menu that has a variety of options to choose from, but don't worry, I'll walk you through exactly where to go next. Next up, look for the option to clear your browsing data. Typically, this is found under the Privacy or History subheading. Within this section, you will have the opportunity to clear your cache, cookies, and any other data that your browser might have held onto. This data can sometimes get in the way when you're trying to use certain websites like Wix, and clearing it will often resolve errors such as the one you're experiencing right now. Once you've located the area to clear browsing data, you should see an option to clear cookies and cache. It's generally a good idea to select both of these, as they tend to store bits of data from the websites you visit, and over time this can build up and cause issues. So go ahead and select those options, and then proceed to clear the data. This step can be a bit nerve-wracking, but rest assured, clearing your cache and cookies will not delete your passwords or bookmarks. It's simply getting rid of old data that your browser no longer needs. Now that you've cleared your browser's cache and cookies, go ahead and close your browser to give it a fresh start. Once it's closed, reopen your browser and try accessing the Wix editor again. With any luck, you'll find that the error has been resolved and you can continue working on your Wix site without any further issues. Remember, maintaining your browser by occasionally clearing your cache and cookies can keep your web experience running smoothly. If you find yourself encountering different issues, sometimes repeating this process will help. I hope this video helped you fix the Wix error code 3003 and gets you back to creating your amazing website with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.